Here you guys have it, an exclusive bridge update here along with the Gator Train Chaser. It's gonna be a little rough here on the camera, no tripod. Give you guys a update of what we're looking at here for Brightline / All Aboard Florida. It is happening, ladies and gents. The cranes are here. The supports are here. That's what they use to drill the holes into the ground. Alright. You see the concrete pilings here. And the I-beam, the cross tops here, that's where the rail bed will go. Check it all out. It's really happening. As we look under the new bridge, under the old bridge, my bad. You see the new bridge is being put into position. Work is definitely coming slowly into progress here on the Florida East Coast Railway. Huge cranes, man. Alright, you guys, that is your All Aboard Florida update. Your host, BBT609, here along with the Gator Train Chaser. Follow him on YouTube at that name. Stay tuned for FEC's 202. 202. For Dominic.